Alright, so if we use that whole 1/2 base times height, yeah? Well, let's see. I'm going to use a generic one, not our problem. I'm going to call the sides S, this H. Okay? So actually in my problem it's going to be 1/2 SH. Yeah? Well, can't I solve for H? Because look what I have there. What do I have there? I have a triangle, so what could I use?
Special right triangle. Wait, yeah.
I could use... Come on, what do you use on right triangles?
1/2 base times height.
I'm not finding the area. The Pythagorean theorem. So don't I know that H squared plus 1/2 S squared equals S squared? Yes?
Yeah.
Let's work on solving for H. So I have H squared equals 1/4, or I'm sorry, not equals. H squared equals 1/4. God, I wrote equals again. What the heck? Plus 1/4 S squared equals S squared. Right? Don't forget to square the constant. Yes? Solve for H. So I have 1S minus 1/4 S. So I have 3/4 S squared. You with me there? Square root it. Now, of course, we don't need the plus or minus. And I have some perfect squares in there. Square root of 3, I have to leave the square root of 3. Square root of S squared is just S. Square root of 4 is just 2. So back over here on my area, I have 1/2 S, but H is square root of 3 over 2S. So the area is square root of 3/4 S squared. That is the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So from here on out, you shouldn't have to do all that work. You can, but you should just kind of know the formula of an equilateral triangle. Just like you know the trapezoid, you know circles, squares, all that. Yeah? Okay, so now let's actually go back to our problem. It asked me to find the area of a cross-section. A cross-section is just one of those triangles. So the area we know is square root of 3 over 4 S squared. The only thing I need to find is my S. So looking at this, a side, it does not help me to find the side that's floating up into space, does it? However, the one that's on the bottom goes from curve to curve no matter where I look. Everyone see that? And how do you find distance? Not integral. It's very simple. You subtract them, correct? To find from one point to the other, you subtract. Take top minus bottom, of course. So my side would be that top parabola, 4 minus x squared, minus that bottom parabola, x squared minus 4. Make sure you subtract. So I will get 4 minus x squared plus 4. So my side is actually 8 minus 2x squared. And that's all you have to do. If it cleans up, clean it up. But this one, it would only get messier. Now, I didn't ask for the volume. If it asked for the volume, I would take the integral of that. What do you think from what to what?
From negative 2 to 2.
Negative 2 to 2, just from your V and A, right? So, but this one only asks for the area function because day 1 of 7.3, we're only asking practice on finding the area. That's all. Okay? Questions?